So if you see on the screen, there are like two places where we've got a crossing. Let me see if I can use some tool to show you. Just give me 1 sec. We've got some pin here. So if we put the pin at 27th of September 2020, I saw we can do it on the 28th. I just seen it now. Okay, I'm not gonna lose your time. 21st of September. It's very hard to move it. You have to be very precise. So if you see where the dot is on the chart, on the right hand side you see the price. So in gray you can see, if you follow the blue dotted line, it goes to the price in gray, and it says 0.24. I'll be satisfied if we take 25 cents as a reference price. Remember that price, 25 cents. That's on the 21st of September 2020, just before the post. And it's, if you see to the right side, it just starts to go up in the next few days where the post was. So since then we've done one hit of a big target, which was 194, and then we hit one more, which was $338, is it, on the 13th of Jan 2025. Is that actually correct? I need to verify this. Because that seems not accurate. I'm not sure if that was the exact price, but I'm telling you what the chart tells, the charts are telling me. So roughly on the, what's that, 13th of Jan 2025, we hit $339, $340. $340 divided by 25 cents, if you remember, that's 13.6 times your money. So if you put like £1,000, you make 13,600. If you put £10,000, you made 136,000 pounds. If you put 100,000 pounds, then you end up with a 1.36 million, 1,360,000 pounds on your money. So this is over 10xing your money. It's over 10 times you multiplying your wealth, or partially your wealth, depending on how much money you had and how much money you invested, which I try to never reveal for safety. But and that's just one investment, one specific asset. Years and years ahead of time, around what's that, like 4 or 5 years worth of time. So you can see how far ahead I can see, and we are just at the beginning of the bull run. That's just what we've done at the beginning. We're not even at the proper beginning yet, because usually when the bull run starts, everything moves much quicker than that. But we are like at the very baby first steps of the bull run during 2025. By the end of 2025, mark my words, if we don't have some, because we had so many events like COVID and so, if we don't have any other type of COVID events or whatnot, we should see by the end of 25, 26, XRP at, I don't know, like 20, 30, or even $100 per single XRP. So if you take 100, for example, like a very optimistic target, but still possible, and divide it by 0.25, that's 400 times your money. I hope you're paying attention. A lot of people said back then that I'm crazy to call, $2, $3, $4, $5, $10 for XRP. A lot of people said I'm crazy when I called Bitcoin to hit 100, or now I think we're targeting the next target, which is probably 1 million, or at least 500,000 for single Bitcoin. A lot of people don't understand what's happening. A lot of people don't understand how early we are and how few people have invested their money, partially their money, into these assets, and how people will be selling houses and whatnot, putting all their wealth when we start seeing the similar candles to what you can see now on the screen here, that big appreciation of value, like from the 28th of October to 20th of January, like for a very few months, you've got like a crazy price appreciation. A lot of people will start acting emotionally, and when that happens, everything will change.